The strawberry and the cheese with the pesto, just a bomb-ass combination. Bomb-ass concoction. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Raw. It's Aisha, where we make cruelty-free foods and we're making it fashionable. Today I wanted to start a segment that I've been trying to do for a little bit, but I'm really excited to get it started. I know there's a lot of people who are really into Kingdom Hearts right now. I know I am. I've been into it since I was a kid, and I've been waiting for the third one to come out for years. Like, I think at least 10 years I've been waiting for it to come out. I was ready when it came out. I started playing it I think the day after. So I was really excited about this game. I'm still really excited about it. I'm not done playing it. But I feel like I'm getting close, and that makes me really sad. But for the channel, I wanted to start making the recipes from Kingdom Hearts 3. Today we're going to be doing 2 of the recipes from Kingdom Hearts 3, an appetizer, and for the main we're going to be doing a little soup. So for the appetizer, I wanted to make a Caprese Salad Skewer with a pesto dipping sauce, and I feel like it's going to be really nice. I'm going to add strawberries because in the game, if you see the image of after you make the Caprese salad, they have strawberries in there. So I think that'd be a nice little touch, give a little nice sweetness to it. And we're going to be making a pumpkin velouté. I do not know if I'm saying that right. I'm probably not, and I apologize, but we're going to be making, it's pretty much a French soup, and then we're going to drizzle it with some black truffle, and I'm so excited. Mine, I'm going to be making it with fennel because I think it'd be a really nice touch, but traditionally it doesn't come with fennel, so it's totally optional. But I'm really excited to get cooking with you guys for my first Kingdom Hearts special, so let's get started. Okay guys, we're in the kitchen now, as you can see, so I think I want to start by making the pesto first and just get that out of the way. But also so the flavors can like mingle and do their thing. Okay. The basil. Just put the rest in. I used to love French food so much, like brie cheese. When I went to Paris last year, I was vegetarian. I was trying to become vegan at that point. But I remember there was one day that my dad and I were just walking around Paris. We went to Notre Dame, but it was raining and we didn't really have any plans. We had a train to catch later that night, so we couldn't really stay that long. So we were just kind of walking around in the rain, and then to get dry every now and then we would go and like go into a cafe and dry off and have something to drink, and now you have something to eat. And there's this one little cafe, really tiny hole in the wall, and they were so nice. I asked them if they had a vegetarian onion soup because mostly it's done with beef broth, and they told me they did, but then I visually saw the woman go back and ask the chef to make it from scratch without the beef broth, so they were very accommodating and very sweet. So I'm going to just do 3 tablespoons of pine nuts. There you go. I miss Paris though. I have really fond memories of Paris and I want to go back soon. Oh, did you see my Kingdom Hearts shirt? Isn't this awesome? I love it. It has like, oh no, look closer. It's like a little comic book. And the little shadow Sora. The heartless Sora. Okay, so we have our pine nuts and our basil. We haven't gotten very far, I apologize. Next we're gonna do 3 cloves of garlic. I'm doing like, it's pretty much 3. There's like a tiny ones in there that equate to 3. And then we're gonna want half of a lemon. And we're just gonna squeeze the juice in there. Get that citrus on. Oh, it's a seed. So we have lemon juice, and now you're gonna want some like kind of cheesy component. So obviously I would go to like nutritional yeast, but recently I went to Berkeley to the Butcher's Nut, I think it's called, and it's an all vegan deli pretty much, and they make their own cheeses. So I got the Parmesan. I also got the mozzarella, which I'm going to use for the skewers today. I know vegan Parmesan isn't always the most easiest to find, especially in like non-vegan friendly areas. Like, believe me, I'm in a pretty non-vegan area. So if you don't have parm, just use 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast and it will be just as good. There's a little piece here. Let's see. I'll start with this. It's like a little slice of it. So we're gonna add some salt. Oh, guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. And now we need olive oil. I'll do 2 tablespoons to start off with. It's a very rough estimate, as you can tell. Relocked in here? Yeah. Okay. Very creamy. I think I need to add some water or something, because it's still very chunky. So let's try 1/4 cup of water. Put like half of that in there for now. It looks like a very creamy pesto. Not complaining. Ooh. It almost looks like spinach dip. I need to taste it. That's really good. Oh yeah, that looks so good. So we got our pesto, which I just want to keep eating, but I'll leave it alone. Did I get lipstick on it? We're good. Okay. Put that aside. Start our soup. You're gonna need 1 fennel bowl. And this is optional. I just think the fennel will be really nice with the pumpkin, make it a little bit more savory. So let's go ahead. Just dice up our half an onion. So we're just gonna slice them. Maybe we don't have to do a dice because we're gonna be blending everything together anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Cut, 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 cut. Got our onion cut up. Put that over there. How much garlic do I feel like doing? Not too much. I don't want the garlic to be the star. So let's do 3 average size cloves. And that's like a rough chop of those. Now let's get to this fennel bulb. I don't know if you could even see because everything's white. White AF. Okay, so let's get started at the kitchen. Well, we're in the kitchen, I'm dumb. Let's go over to the sauteing station. Before we go over there though, we're gonna need to take our olive oil, some thyme, so let me get some thyme. Not this kind of thyme, this kind of thyme. I know, I should have just kept my mouth shut. Our veggie broth's gonna need to come with us. Our pumpkin's gonna need to come with us, so let's move all that over. So we got that going on. We're gonna open our can of pumpkin. I'm so excited. This is going to turn out super good, I think. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I think it's going to be superb. While that's frying, now we're going to want to start putting things in this little container into our little blender. So first I want to put the pumpkin in here. And then to our little pumpkin mixture here, I'm going to add some Better Than Bouillon. And I'm going to add some water. I did about half a cup there, and then now I'm going to turn this on low, put it on low, and I want to put all this caramelized goodness in here. Get all the main pieces. Okay, at this point you would want to add some nooch to it, maybe like a tablespoon, not too much. But again, I have that Parmesan, so I'm going to use that. Okay, just got a little handful of that nice little vegan Parmesan. And go in there. And we're gonna blend this right up. Let's turn this heat back up a little bit. Maybe like medium heat. Be careful opening it, those might sputter. And as you can see, it's really thick, so we're gonna add more water. Even if you want, you could add more broth. Add some water. I want to add my thyme now. About 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add some crushed red pepper flakes. And this is to taste. I'll do like a little, nice little dash. Ooh. Okay, so we have our soup on the stove simmering. So let's go ahead and finish our skewers. So for our skewers, we're going to need the skewers. First rule of thumb. These are really big, obviously. Oh, that's not gonna work, is it? And then you're gonna want some vegan mozzarella. My favorite is Miyoko's, but as I said before, I got this one from the butcher's son, so I'm gonna try this one. Let's go in like this. We'll do little cubes. Little cubes of mozzarella. These are all varying in shape and size. The Caprese salad that they have in the game has little strawberries in it, so I'm gonna add that. And it should be good because it reminds me of Ratatouille when they're eating the strawberry and cheese combo and they're trying the grapes and cheese and everything. So I get why they did it, and I think it's really cute. Hopefully it all tastes good. I think this would be really fun to do if maybe your boyfriend or girlfriend is really into the game right now and they invited you to play. This would be like a cute little dinner to go along with it. So now we got our tomatoes. My little skewers. So how do I want to do this? I think I want to start with the strawberry with the cheese and tomato. Oh, I kind of went at a wrong angle for that. Okay. Oh, we're just gonna get a new piece. There we go. Now strawberry. Yay! My little skewer. It's so cute. Let's see. Pour some of that pesto in here. Oh yeah. Isn't it so cute? Ooh. Oh my goodness, guys. This looks so good. So I got our beautiful skewers right there. Ooh. And it really looks like real cheese, doesn't it? That looks really freaking good. And then I have my pesto that I made for the basil component to finish this whole caprese salad. So let me taste it. Which one do I want to do? Let's do this one. Ooh! Like this one looks like a winner, and then this little tomato runs off. Strawberry and pesto. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god. If you like sweet and salty, this is amazing. The strawberry and the cheese with the pesto, just a bomb-ass combination. Bomb-ass concoction. I'm gonna try the more classic, the tomato and mozzarella combo. That strawberry and pesto with the mozzarella though, it's better than the classic, tomato. That Remy knew what he was doing. But yeah guys, definitely do it with the strawberry. The strawberry makes it so worth it. Now we got our pumpkin soup, pumpkin velouté. And then of course I have some black truffle oil, which makes it more traditional. And Remy adds black truffle, so we're gonna add it too. I got this from the World Market, but I know Trader Joe's also carries something very similar. Okay, got our black truffle. Ooh, okay, let's go. You wouldn't think this would be very savory, but it's so good. With the fennel really takes it up a notch. It's so comforting and warm. Like this would be amazing with a crusty loaf of bread. Thank you all for joining me today. This meal was super bomb. You definitely have to try it. The Caprese skewers were amazing. The soup is super nice, warm. Definitely consider making this next time you play the game. I think it will definitely be amazing to bring your taste buds into the game and taste what you're actually making. Please like and subscribe, especially if you want to see more. I'm going to be doing a lot more of this. I'm going to be doing a whole series of the Kingdom Hearts. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you later.